Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to personalize your Google Chrome avatar with a custom picture. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to swap that default Chrome avatar with an image that really represents you, whether it's a selfie, a favorite pet, or an inspiring photo you just love. It's a simple way to make your browser feel more like your own personal workspace. Let's jump right in. The first thing you need to know is that your Chrome avatar is actually tied to your Google profile picture. That means instead of changing it directly in Chrome, you'll update your main Google profile image, and Chrome will use that new picture as your avatar anywhere you're signed in. This connection ensures your chosen photo shows up consistently, whether you're checking Gmail, using Google Drive, or browsing in Chrome. Start by heading to any Google service. You could open google.com, Gmail, or even Google Drive, whichever is easiest for you. In the top right corner of the page, you'll see your current profile icon. It might be your initials, a generic silhouette, or perhaps an older photo you want to update. Go ahead and click on that icon. This opens a quick panel with lots of useful account shortcuts. From here, look for the button or link labeled Manage Your Google Account. Clicking this takes you to your full account dashboard, and don't worry if things look a bit different depending on which Google app you started from. The steps are the same. Next, take a look at the navigation options on the left side of your account settings. You'll see several categories, but you want to choose Personal Info. This section is where Google keeps all your basic account details, your name, birthday, email addresses, and, most importantly for today, your profile picture. This part is kind of like the ID badge for all your Google services. Under Basic Info, you'll spot your current profile picture area. If you haven't set one before, it might just be a colored circle with your initials, or a generic icon. Whatever it is, that's what people see when you interact within Google's ecosystem. So updating it can make your online presence feel that much more personal and professional. Go ahead and click directly onto the profile picture area. A new window will pop up, inviting you to add or change your photo. Click the button that says Add Profile Picture. This will prompt you to select a photo from your computer. Take a moment to choose an image that's clear, friendly, and represents you well. Maybe you want to show off your smile, celebrate a personal milestone, or use a picture of something meaningful, like your pet or a favorite landscape. This part might take a few moments, especially if you're sorting through folders or resizing an image. Don't worry if you don't have the perfect photo handy right now. You can always change it again later. Once you've picked your image, just follow the prompts to upload and save it. Google will ask you to crop or adjust the photo to fit within their preferred square format. Don't be afraid to line things up or zoom a little. This helps your avatar look sharp and balanced across different devices. As soon as you hit save, your new profile picture will be updated across all Google services, including Chrome itself. You might need to refresh your browser or restart Chrome if the change doesn't show up right away, but usually, it's almost instant. Now, every time you glance at that top right corner, you'll see your custom picture greeting you, adding a friendly, personal touch to your browsing experience. And that's all there is to it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a like, and if you have any questions or run into any hiccups, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new Chrome avatar.